Congressman Dan, with respect to all of these hearings, can you categorically say that these are not at all being politicized as well?
I think walang politiko dito. Walang politika dito. Kasi nga, we are being accused that this is being politicized. Ako, I'm not running naman for a national position. I'm running in the local. Ace Barbers is not running anymore. Si Benny Abante is running for Congress, and Paduano is retiring. So there's no politics in here. And they are accusing us that this is being politicized. Fortunately, we were able to discuss or hear these issues separately. Like, for example, ako sa public order, Pogo, si EJK sa human rights, separately talaga. Years back, ako, 2 years ago, nag-hearing na ako nung yung bypass operation. Maraming mga pulis ang nag-commit ng mga crimes. Even we doubled the salary already. So, mag-wonder ka why. And that's the reason why nung ginawa namin, kinulate namin into one committee, now we are being accused that this being used for politics. I hope that the people will understand that we did not create this overnight. Taon po inabot nito bago namin nakuha yung pagkakasama-sama ng mga issues.
You stated earlier that the Quadcom hearings or the congressional hearings are not politicized. I suppose because of the timing as well, all of these hearings came about after the UNITEAM broke up. Does the Speaker of the House, Speaker Martin Romualdez, express his thoughts in relation to the Quadcom hearings?
I remember the one time that we have spoken. I saw him dun sa Congress. And I asked him, Speaker, siguro naman nakikita mo yung ginagawa namin. What is your thought? Parang ganun ang tema ng pagsasalita ko. Sabi niya, you do what is right. Tamaan kung sino ang tatamaan. And kung wala kayo ebidensya, tigilan niyo. So, yun yung sinabi niya sa akin. And isa pa, Attorney Karen, well, he is the speaker, but he cannot dictate upon us. Ako especially, when my integrity and my being transparent on every hearings that I'm conducting, if ever na hinarang nila ako, then I will resign. I will resign on that committee. I don't need that. I mean, I can always speak on the floor and deliver what my heart dictates, and I will do that. I think we are 300 plus congressmen there, and you cannot dictate on the feelings and the intention of each and every member of the House. And unfair yun pag sinasabi na this is scripted and things like iisa yung sinusunod namin, si Speaker lang. No, hindi kami ganoon. Hindi ako kasama sa ticket ng UNITEAM. Nasa oposisyon ako. And that's the reason why sinasabi ko na kung didiktahan niyo ako, aalis na lang ako dyan.